You'll have to excuse me, I'm not at my best. I've been gone for a month. I've been home for a rest. Hey, hey folks, I'm Fidel Gastro, and we've actually done a St. Patrick's Day video every year since we've had this channel. We've done collaboration recipes, we've done patty melts for Patty's Day, we've done hangover cure recipes. So I thought, let's shake it up a bit and do something different and do a 5 things I love to crush on St. Patrick's Day. Number 1, so beer. I love beer. I don't love all beers. Guinness, this fine stout, not my thing. It is obviously the beer of choice for most during St. Patrick's Day. Never that green colored beer, that's not a thing. So I thought, let me show you 2 other Irish beers. Oh, Irish beers that you can try if you're not a fan of Guinness. The first is a lager, Harp. Lagers are much lighter in color. But just as tasty. Then we also have Smithwick's premium red ale. So it's definitely got that rosy glow, might I say, mahogany-esque. A little darker than the lager, but not nearly as dark as the Guinness. So we have 3 ranges of beer, all for your crushing pleasure. Next, crushing item number 2 for St. Patrick's Day. This is when cocktails go a little, when they start getting very colorful. So Shamrock Juice. Basically, it's like you take a ½ ounce of a bunch of different spirits. Like you can use tequila, or gin, or rum, or whiskey, or vodka, or rum. Did I say rum? I said rum. You can use a ½ ounce of all of them, a little bit of blue curacao, a little bit of orange juice. Oh, top it up. Bob's your uncle. Have a sip. It's very good. I can crush a lot of those. Next, number 3, beverage number 3. It's called a Grasshopper. I remember the first time I ordered a Grasshopper, I had no idea what was in a Grasshopper, and then I had a Grasshopper, and I was like, first sip, you're like, I don't know if I like this. By the 4th beverage, you're like, I think I love this. This is a Grasshopper. A little bit of creme de menthe, a little bit of Baileys, a little bit of creme de cacao. Cacao. Cacao! Oh, it tastes like a Junior Mint. It's very refreshing. Next, item number 4 that I would love to crush on St. Patrick's Day. Sometimes you gotta go right to the veins, right to the good stuff, like Jameson, fine Irish whiskey. Most bars that serve Jameson on St. Patrick's Day have it at a deal, at a discount, because the good folks at Jameson want you to drink their beautifully golden beverage on this fine religious holiday. Shall we? I missed the Grasshopper already. Okay. Next, item number 5. The most important thing I love to crush on St. Patrick's Day, and definitely yours. Sometimes you need a Scottish cheeseburger to make the Irish beverages go down. McDonald's. 1 cheeseburger. 2 cheeseburger. Now watch. Take chicken McNuggets. You put the chicken McNuggets on the bun. Then you take the hot mustard. This is real. You take this. Oh yeah. Then you take this side, and you put it on that side, and you take all this, and you crush it with your mouth, because it's St. Patrick's Day. But keep in mind, see all this fun stuff? It can only be fun if you are not driving. So enjoy responsibly. Well, there you go. Oh, shit. Okay, well, there you have it, folks. Thanks so much for watching. leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and in the comments below, on a scale of 1 to 10, how big of an idiot do you think I am right now? 10 being high, 1 being low, 5 is the number of things I love to crush. Until next time, happy St. Patrick's Day,